Seeing your competitors steal that top Google spot feels like you're watching customers walk right past your door. Well, what if I told you it's rarely about them being better? It's all about checking the boxes that Google loves, and I'll show you the simplest ones first. Stick around because you're minutes away from understanding exactly why they rank higher and what simple steps you can take today. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst, and I set up online systems that help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. You know that frustration you feel seeing competitors above you. It's real and it costs you visibility. I know how annoying it is, especially when you believe your business is superior or you've been established longer. So let's break down why it happens and how you can start claiming those top spots. So think of Google like a checklist. Right now, your competitors might be checking more boxes. You look at your competitor's website and they seem to be everywhere. They're showing up in searches that you want. And it feels like they just get Google and you get left behind. But here's the thing. Google's job is to give searchers the best current answers. So if your competitor is regularly adding helpful new information to the website, like a simple blog post answering customer questions, Google notices this. It sees that their site is active, fresh, and more likely helpful than a site that hasn't been updated in months. So your competitor is essentially giving Google more reasons to send people their way. To fix this, you need to show Google that you're active too. I recommend starting simple. Commit to adding one piece of helpful content, like a short blog post answering a common customer question that you get, and just do it once a month. That's it. Consistency beats complexity here. So do you currently add new content to your website on a schedule? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, here's another common problem I see. You click on your website link and it takes a few seconds to load. Maybe you think it's not that bad, but your potential customers and Google disagree strongly. People today have zero patience for slow websites. If your website takes more than 2 to 3 seconds to load, many visitors are just going to leave. I mean, we've all done it, right? Click back immediately because the site was taking way too long to load. Google knows this, and Google wants to send users to a site that provides a good experience, and speed is a massive part of that. A slow site signals a poor experience, so Google is less likely to recommend it. Now, I know I've said this before, but website speed isn't a nice to have. It's essential for your website. Test your site speed using Google's free Page Speed Insights tool. It'll give you specific pointers, but often large images are the culprit. Simply resizing or compressing your images can make a huge difference instantly. In a moment, I'll share a free tool that almost everyone overlooks that can seriously boost your local visibility. But first, let's talk about phones. So your website looks okay on a desktop computer, so you think you're covered. But have you really checked how it looks on a smartphone? Here's the thing, depending on the industry, over half, sometimes way more, of your website visitors are likely using their phones. If your site is hard to read or buttons are tiny or things are just messy on mobile, those visitors are gone and fast. Google knows how many people search on mobile, so it prioritizes websites that offer a smooth, easy experience for those users. If your competitor's website works flawlessly on mobile and yours doesn't, guess who's going to get the ranking boost? So pull out your phone right now or after this video and navigate to your own website. And ask yourself, is it easy to use? Can you read everything? Do the buttons even work? And be honest, fixing the mobile usability is critical. Often it's about choosing a mobile responsive theme or template for your website. Okay, let's get real for a second. Fixing these first 3 things, the content, speed, and mobile, handles a huge portion of the ranking puzzle. And most businesses don't even get these right. So let's say you do get it right. You have a great website, great content, it's fast, mobile friendly, but competitors still seem to have an edge. So what else could it be? Let's think about trust in the real world. If multiple respected people recommend a specific shop, you're more likely to trust it, right? Well, online it's similar. When other reputable websites link to your competitor's site, we call those backlinks. It's like a vote of confidence. Google sees these links as signals that other sites trust your competitor's content. The more quality the links have, the more trustworthy Google perceives your site to be, leading to higher rankings. Now keep in mind, it's not about the quantity of the links. Link quality from relevant, trusted websites matter the most. And building links takes time, but you can start by thinking about natural connections. Like, are you part of local business groups, charities, or industry associations? Often these organizations have websites where they list their members. And that's an easy, relevant opportunity. I always recommend to look for the simple wins first. Okay, you remember the free tool that I mentioned earlier? Well, here it is, especially if you serve local customers. You notice your competitors showing up prominently in the map section on Google, maybe even with photos and reviews, while your business is nowhere to be seen. And this often comes down to one simple free tool, which is your Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business. Your Google Business Profile is your digital storefront on Google. You need to claim it and fill it out completely, add photos, and encourage customer reviews. It's one of the most impactful free things that you can do for local visibility. Look, seeing your competitors rank higher is frustrating. We started there. But remember that checklist analogy? None of these advantages that your competitors have are permanent. The great thing about SEO is you can improve your position. It's not about secret tricks. It's about consistently doing the right things, like keeping your site fresh, fast, mobile friendly, building trust, and leveraging tools like Google Business Profile. Focus on these fundamentals consistently and you will see progress. If you want more practical tips like this to get more customers and boost your profits online, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments below, which one of these areas, content, speed, mobile, links, Google profile, are you going to focus on first? Getting higher on Google isn't about overnight magic. It's about methodically checking those boxes that Google loves. Just start with one of them. And remember, consistency will beat complexity every time.